Albert Cash advances stop working or change fee behavior when your account loses eligibility, your bank connection weakens, or your Genius subscription status changes without syncing properly. By the end, you'll know exactly what Albert charges for cash advances, why fees show up differently for different users, and what to check when your advance amount or cost doesn't look right. Start with how Albert Cash advances work. Albert gives users small cash advances based on account activity and banking data. The app evaluates your income deposits and spending patterns to decide whether you qualify and how much you can access. If that data is incomplete or outdated, the advance option can change or disappear. Now, talk about the fee confusion. Albert doesn't always show a single fixed fee in the same way traditional loans do. Instead, costs depend on how the advance is delivered and whether you choose faster access. That's why some users see a small fee, while others don't see any charge at all on the same type of advance. Next, check eligibility. Cash advance access depends heavily on your recent bank activity. If your deposits slow down, your account is new, or your banking connection has gaps, Albert may reduce your advance amount or change what you're eligible for. This can make it feel like fees suddenly changed when it's actually eligibility shifting. Now, check your Genius subscription status. Some advanced features in Albert are tied to Genius. If your subscription is inactive, expired, or not syncing correctly, the app may limit cash advance options or change how they appear. Always confirm your subscription status inside the app or app store. Now look at delivery timing. In many cases, what users think is a fee is actually tied to how fast they want the money. Faster delivery options can change the total cost compared to standard delivery. If the timing option changes, the total amount received can also change. Now consider banking delays. Even when everything looks correct in the app, your bank can delay or adjust how funds are processed. That can make it seem like Albert charged differently when the change actually happened during the bank transfer stage. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert Cash advance costs usually come from eligibility changes, delivery timing differences, subscription status, or banking sync issues, rather than one fixed universal fee. Do this next. First, check your cash advance eligibility inside the app. Then verify your Genius subscription status. After that, reconnect your bank account to refresh your data. Finally, compare delivery options before confirming any advance. If something still looks off, it usually means your account data hasn't fully synced yet. Albert doesn't hide a single fee structure. It adjusts based on risk, timing, and account activity in real time.